Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's Adunni of ADUNNI'S Space here again. And I know this is a weird filming setup, but guys, I have been going through so much lately, and this is like the best place I can find to film this video because it's been a lot, and I didn't come to rant to you guys in this video, so we're just going to get straight into this video. As long as I'm giving you guys quality content and I'm passing the information you need to know to you, I believe you should stay to the end of this video. Watch this video. If you like this video, please join the family by clicking the subscribe button. I create hair tutorials and I share hair tips on how to save more and spend less while still looking good. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys top 6 protective hairstyles for your natural hair. Guys, I did know that natural hair was a lot. I did know that it was a lot, but when I started my natural hair journey, guys, I realized that the whole natural hair journey is not a journey, it is actually a lifestyle. So if you're interested in knowing top 6 protective hairstyle that I would recommend for any naturalista babe outside there, keep watching this video. Now let's get straight into today's video. So before I go into today's video, I just want to share with you guys that I am wearing my t-shirt that has my channel name on it. I don't know if you guys can see it properly. I will insert a picture, and it is from one of my best person. So today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys top 6 protective hairstyles for natural hair. Guys, don't see, natural hair it's actually a lifestyle. Like I said earlier, it is something that you want to make sure that you're ready to do before you go into it. That is just it. Like, it is not just something you can wake up tomorrow and say you want to start. It is a lifestyle. You have to get used to it, but that is by the way. So guys, let's get straight into the video now that we are comfortable and we have gotten this weird setup out of the way. So protective hairstyles are a natural way of protecting your hair. It helps to reduce your hair manipulation, it promotes hair growth, it reduces breakage, it reduces manipulation, and when done right and when maintained right, it is actually the best thing for your natural hair. Okay, so the first group of protective hairstyle that I'll be talking about is braids. Braids can either be in box braid, knotless braid, Ghana weaving, Senegalese braids, cornrow, and they are just very excellent way of protecting your hair. It reduces the manipulation. It keeps the tips of your hair safe. Like, that is always the goal for me when I am braiding my hair. I want the tip of my hair well tucked in under the extension, and you can actually wear this for a very long period of time. Okay, so we're going to move to the next one, and the next one is actually like, it's a style I can't wait to start doing on my own natural hair, and it is twist, either the 2-strand twist or the 3-strand twist. It is very versatile, and it is always very beautiful, guys. When I see twists on like medium length natural hair, it is always so beautiful. So this is actually like a group of hairstyle that you can wear with or without extension depending on the length of your hair. So if your hair is very short like my own, I would advise cornrow or braids. But if you have like a medium length natural hair, I think twist is the best thing for you to do. It's always very beautiful when you do it well, when you use the right amount of products, when you style it. And the fact is, you can style twist into buns. Like, you can, twists is very versatile, and it's a very beautiful protective hairstyle for your natural hair. Before we continue dwelling on that, if you're new on my channel and you're not subscribed, we're currently on 1,400 subscribers, and I hope to get to 1,500 subscribers by the end of this month or more. If you enjoyed this video or any other video on my channel, please click the subscribe button and join this family. Now we're going to move to the third group of protective hairstyle that I really like. Third group of protective hairstyle that I really like, and I can't wait also to start doing on my own natural hair because of the length of my hair. Actually, it is not a barrier if you have a short natural hair. Like, if your natural hair length is short, the length of your hair is not a barrier for this particular hairstyle, and that hairstyle is bantu knots. Bantu knots are actually like small circled like when your hair is in small section and you twist or braid it and you gently wrap it around the roots of your hair. I'll insert a picture, and it's something that I actually want to try on my hair. It is actually very, very beautiful, and I feel like it is a great way of protecting your tips and also like your hair in itself. You just get, it's actually very simple to do, and it's something that you can wear for a long period of time, and depending on the length of your hair, you can do this with or without extension, and you're good to go. You just have to style it, do your edges, and you're out. Like, it's actually a very, very pretty hairstyle, and I think I'll do a tutorial on that. If you want me to do a tutorial on that because of the length of my hair, definitely I'll have to use extension. Please let me know in the comment section. Now the next thing we're going to move ahead to is the faux locks, guys. So the next group of protective hairstyle we're going to move ahead to is faux locks, guys. Faux locks has been since, like, faux locks is just like box braids. It has always been like, it's an OG. Faux locks is an OG hairstyle, and it is a very, very stylish hairstyle, and it gives you like the illusion of you having dread without having dreads. Do you get? And I think faux locks, it's not even, I know faux locks are one of the best protective hairstyles that you want to try on your natural hair, because it not only keeps the tips of your hair like in between the extension, it's also keep the body of your hair in between the extension, and you can use either synthetic or human hair extension for this style. It is a very, very versatile hairstyle. Another one that is in the know, which I believe a lot of people would want to argue out in the comment section, is the trendy micro twists, guys. I don't know if you guys agree with me, but I believe, and I really think the micro twists or the micro locks is a beautiful protective hairstyle for natural hair. I tried it on my sister's head, and she's been carrying it for like 3 to 4 weeks now, and it is still very, very beautiful. I also believe that maintenance has a lot of things to do when it comes to protective hairstyle. So the last but not the least is wigs and extension. Wigs and extension is a very, very effective way to protect your natural hair from styling. You just want to make sure that your natural hair, like I have underneath my wig right now, my natural hair is in cornrow. You want to make sure that your natural hair is well styled, is well kept, is well washed, and you just grab your wig and you go. And another thing that makes me very skeptical about wigs is wearing it for a long period of time, or wearing it continuously for long weeks because of your edges. So a few things that I would want to say before we come to the end of this video is: one, remember to take care of your natural hair. No matter how long you're wearing your protective hairstyle, you want to make sure that the protective hairstyle that you're doing allows you to wash your natural hair, allows you to moisturize your natural hair, allows you to give your natural hair some tender loving and care at least twice a week. You want to remember to oil your natural hair. You also want to make sure that when you're doing your natural hair, or when you're putting it in any of these protective hairstyles that I have mentioned, that you do not grab your scalp. Like, you make sure that whether you're doing it yourself or your hairstylist is doing it for you, you want to make sure that they use, like, there is little to no tension. You want to avoid excessive pulling on your scalp, because the natural hair is going to, like, the protective hairstyle is going to be on your hair for a long period of time. You don't want your scalp to be pulled. You don't want to have your scalp under tension. Another thing I would want to advise when you're putting your hair into protective hairstyle is to make sure that you do not leave it for like, I see people say they wear their braids for 3 months, or people saying they wear their cornrows for months. You would definitely fall under the victim of breakage when you're taking it. No matter how careful you are, you will definitely fall under the victim of breakage, of matting, and you will realize that the hair growth you were trying to amass by doing protective hairstyle would only lead to hair breakage. So you want to make sure that you wear it for a reasonable amount of time. If you ask me, for me, anything above 4 weeks, for me, I don't know about you, some people would go as long as 6 weeks, but for me, anything above 4 weeks it's becoming too much for me. I get tired of hairstyles easily. So 4 weeks to 6 weeks. But once you start doing 12 weeks, yeah, I don't know. So guys, that is the end of today's video. Let me know if you enjoyed this video, and if my new setup or my new background or my new filming space is okay with you guys. Definitely you will see another video like this. Like, I am filming another video immediately after this one, so if you see this video, you should be seeing the next video probably on Sunday or closer. So please, if you enjoyed this video, drop a comment in the comment section, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and make sure to watch one more video before leaving. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.